Hi, come on in. I'm Sandy with the Allnet Group at the agency. Welcome to 3409 Pinas Bay Drive in desirable Lexington subdivision. Make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss the great backyard. You'll love this well-maintained and updated home. It has spacious rooms, hardwood flooring, an updated kitchen with Jenn-Air stainless steel appliances, beautiful cabinets, and granite countertops. Outside, you're going to love the park-like setting, fire pit area, 2 levels of decks, and beautiful mature trees. Thank you for viewing our listing. If you like what you saw, don't delay. Schedule today. And if you'd like to see more available listings, subscribe to our YouTube channel.